Hello all. Today we are going to learn about introduction to database system. In this lecture we are going to study about the basic definition of the relational data model and the steps in designing a database. The relational database model is basically the third step of designing a database. First step is your reality, second one is your ER designing, third one is your relational data model. So we are going to discuss about this particular step. What is basically relational data model? ER diagram transformed to tables. Whatever the data we have collected here, that is to be transmitted into tables, then to be divided into major entities. For example, the roll numbers, the subject of a particular class, it can be the name of a particular student. Then we have to create a relationship between these students. Then this one is your relational data model component. It is basically conceived by Edgar F. Codd in 1970, and then the tables are referred as relation, and each row in tables is referred as tuple, and the value of it can be treated of each row as domain. The heading of each column is known as the attribute, or the each column content is known as attribute. The proper particular outline of a model is known as schema. Next one is your this components of relations tables in relational database model. These are three things: name, degree, and cardinality. These are the three components of relational database model. First one is your title of entity, the next one is your number of columns or attributes, and third one is indicated by number of rows and column, or number of rows of a particular table, which are known as tuple, and the number of columns are known as attributes, and this one is your entity. So this is all for the introduction of database management.